Hey, it's Anissa. Today I have for you the Smooth Operator Manual Can Opener. Now I really hate to call this a manual can opener because it opens cans so easily. Plus, it's got a lot of features that electric and battery operated can openers simply don't have. First off, the minute you pick it up, you can feel the quality, and it opens up cans better than others on the market. Let me show you how it works. Now what you're gonna do is place this part over the lip of the can, and then you simply twist the opener until it catches. Once it does that, simply continue to turn until it goes around full circle. Once it's come full circle, simply spin it in reverse a couple of times until it releases. Now you can remove the lid, and you'll notice that it's completely smooth and can be reused as a lid. Now this is one of the reasons why I love this can opener. And let's face it, how many times have you had a large can that you can't use all of the contents? So you can just place this on top and put it in the fridge. This is especially great for dog food and cat food. As I mentioned, this can do things that other can openers can't. Take, for instance, a pull tab can. How many times have you broken the tab off and then you can't open the can? Well, with the Smooth Operator, you can still open these cans. Now why this works on all cans, including the pull tabs, is because this cuts along the side instead of the top. And that's what gives you the smooth lid. In addition to feeling the quality, you can actually see it. Take, for instance, the handle. It's made from a paper and resin mixture that is both antimicrobial and eco-friendly. And you'll love the full tang handle that is made from stainless steel that won't rust and will last for years. Now what I love about this can opener over other manual ones is there's no squeezing. It simply locks on and opens smoothly. But wait, there's more. This handy gadget has a nifty little bottle opener right on top. Now if you're looking for a quality can opener that's a joy to use, that's reliable, and always ready to work, this is it. Head on over to our site and grab one today.